There's Emily in Big Bear. She is relaxing on the bed in our cabin. There's a couch. There's the front of the cabin. And here's the kitchen area of the cabin. Table.
The bathroom's very nice too, the balcony.
What's that, Emily?
The bathroom and the balcony are very nice too.
Yes, they are. TV, little stove. There's a balcony out there.
It's cold outside.
And
I
it's
like it.
very cold. And here's the balcony overlooking the lake. Grill here. There's the lake. So that's the balcony.